electrocautery, transform electricity into heat used for cutting and coagulation. It's called radio frequency because the frequency is similar to the domestic radio band. The pad should be more than 70 square centimeter, 10,000 times larger than the surface area of the electrode, to reduce chance of burning. Don't apply on bony prominences. There are two types, monopolar and bipolar. The monopolar this system is established by diathermy electrode and electrical plate. It has large impedance, higher voltage of 1000s. It has two types, cut and coagulate. Cut is a continuous current, narrow cut is made. Coagulation is intermittent or pulse current. Bipolar, the current is between two electrodes. The voltage is in hundreds. It's safer and avoid damages from passing of the current through surrounding tissues. Can be used in situation where fingers, toes or penis due to the effect of channeling, and can be used in pacemakers. Precautions: use with pacemaker ICDs. Risk of electrical interference is possible. Preoperative check is important. Self-adhesive return electrodes away from the cardiac device. Monitor ECG. Use magnet in emergency. Complications: burn can happen, exposure to smoke products which can be infectious organisms, and it should use high filtration mask, and explosions can happen from anesthesia or bowel gas.